Have you been looking for brick homes in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the neighborhood called Hidden Lakes Estates right here in Greenville, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, Oconee, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, we also new construction experts, so we keep track of the different builders in the area here and the incentives that they offer to help make the home purchase more affordable for you. Now, this particular neighborhood is built by Adams Homes. Adams Homes, they build a lot of homes that are four-sided brick, and most of them are one-level homes. There are some that look like one level, but they're actually two-story homes. And they do have some two-story homes as well. So in this video, we're going to take a tour of this decorated model. It is 3,040 square feet. Now, one thing with Adams Homes, the floor plans, they call them based on the square footage of the home. So this is the 3040 floor plan, and it is also 3040 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It does have a bedroom and a bonus room and a full bath upstairs as well, an open floor plan. But we're gonna check this one out and see what you think. And by the way, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified the next time that we post another video. Now, just to let you know, this neighborhood is conveniently located about 10 minutes from Simpsonville, about 20 minutes from downtown Greenville. It's really convenient, easy access to the highway. There are shops, restaurants. It's a very convenient location. All right, so let's check it out. Now, there are sidewalks in the neighborhood here. Not a lot of amenities in the community, but it does have sidewalks. You know, you've got some street lights, common areas. So if you like to walk, there's plenty of sidewalks throughout the neighborhood. They are going to be opening a new phase probably in the next few months, but the current phase still has some lots for them to build some more homes on. Okay, like I said, these are four-sided brick homes, and today we're taking a tour of this decorated model. And nice long driveway in this decorated model. They actually just have had one that went under contract, and we were going to do a video on that one, but it went under contract. But that one was listed for $455,000. So, you could expect to be somewhere in that range of $455,000, depending on what options that they include or exclude in the one that you end up purchasing, if you're interested or if you like it. All right, so you've got as you open the door here, you have the dining room right immediately to the left. And then to the right is a couple of bedrooms. So you have the half bath powder room here. So it does have 3.5 bathrooms instead of 3. So it's 3.5 bathrooms. And this is a bedroom here. On the floor, they've got the luxury vinyl planks on the floor here, and this one is a walk-in closet in this bedroom. And this is what they're using as their office right now. And then you have the full bathroom here, comfort height, sink, vanity, brushed nickel, light fixture there. And right here is a linen closet. Another bedroom here, so it's your second bedroom. And you do have an upstairs. Like I said, there's a bedroom and full bath on the upstairs as well. All right, so just to give a little better perspective here, so we'll just come back. You've got the foyer, got a little nice chandelier fixture there, and your family room area, which leads into the kitchen. Now, if this is not the right home for you, let us know. We can help you find the right one for your family if this is not the right floor plan for you. Now, Adams Homes, they do have other floor plans that you can choose from, as well as different builders here in the area that are offering some really great incentives. Right now, Adams Homes is offering for some of their homes, they're offering 2-to-1 buy down for FHA, VA buyers, and USDA buyers. And that 2-to-1 buy down is 2.99% for the first year, 3.99% for the second year, and 4.99% for year 3 through 30. So really great interest rates on those select homes that qualify for that special rate. Plus, if you're doing those loans, they're also giving up to $7,000 in closing cost assistance as well. Now, if for some reason for those select homes, you're not doing FHA, VA, or USDA, you can take advantage of the $20,000 flex cash if you're paying cash or if you're doing a conventional loan. And that flex cash, you can use it for basically whatever you want to. Take it off the price of the home, buy down your interest rate, or use it to pay your closing costs, all right? So let's check out the rest of this home. Now, some of the other homes, even though the select homes that have those special rates, there are incentives on the homes that don't qualify for those special rates as well. So it's either $2,000 or $10,000 for the other homes, depending on where they are in construction. All right. So let's continue with our tour here. All right. So back in the family room, kitchen, and you've got a nice size island. You already have a couple of bar stools there, so you can probably get a couple of more around this island right here, and extra cabinet counter space along with the island. And we'll look at it from this side. Stainless steel appliances, nice granite countertops, gas range. You have the griddle there, built-in microwave, a nice subway tile backsplash, and these are the different types of granite and quartz countertops that they use in these different homes. Okay, and this goes back into that dining room area. Got the laundry room over here. Okay, and huge pantry. This is your Costco size, Sam's Club size pantry. You can do plenty of shopping. You've got the linen closet here, and the 2-car garage door opener, and it does have a sprinkler system. A lot of these homes here, I think pretty much all of them, come with the in-ground sprinkler system. Okay, let's head over to the other side. So you got 4 bedrooms on this main level and 1 upstairs with the bonus room. So this is your 3rd one on this main level. You have a walk-in closet as well. It does have the automatic sensor lights here in this closet. So it's a split bedroom floor plan. So you have the master suite on this side of the home. So all the other bedrooms are on the other side of that home. And then you have the owner suite on this side. Tray ceiling, you do have the crown molding in the master and in the living space that we came in from. Okay, ensuite bathroom, double sinks. Got the linen closet here. Shower, 5-foot shower. And there's a sensor in this one as well. Walk-in closet. And your drawers and cabinet there. Water closet with a private door. Let's check out this patio space while we're down here. You got the blinds built into this door to the patio, and covered patio, good size. Be able to sit out here, enjoy, coffee. Okay, obviously this one is not for sale, but they are building them. They do build them in this neighborhood, and right now they're building mostly inventory homes, so they get them ready and then they put them on the market, and you can purchase them. But they do build this plan. Like I said, one just went under contract and it was listed for $455,000 and some change there. But anyway, they do build them. So if you like this plan, chances are, either we can find it here, or they might have another neighborhood around the area that we can find that plan as well. So regardless of this plan or another plan, we can help you find it. All right, let's go on upstairs. All right, so, and not sure if you checked out this closet, but this is the coat closet right here beside the stairs. All right, so upstairs, so you have 4 downstairs, 4 bedrooms downstairs, and then up here, well, we'll check this out because this is your attic access here. Not a ton of storage, but enough space for somebody to work on this air handler unit up here, or your furnace. You got the tech shield in the ceiling there to kind of keep it a little bit cooler in the attic. All right, and then right here is another linen closet, your 4th bathroom. Or your 3rd bathroom, I should say. So that's your 3rd bathroom, with because you have a half bath as well as a full bath on the other side of the home downstairs. Okay. And you got the bonus room area, huge bonus room. I think it's huge. And there's a closet here, so if you wanted to turn it into a bedroom, you could turn it into a bedroom, or just use your closet for storage. So you got the 3rd bathroom up here, full bath, so it's pretty private for somebody if you wanted to have a separate space for in-law suite or adult children, or maybe have one of the kids up there and have a play area for for the rest of them, or pool tables. Like I said, this home obviously is not for sale. This is the decorated model. They do build them here, convenient location, great incentives right now by this builder on those select homes that they are offering the 2-to-1 buy down interest rate on, or the $20,000 incentive. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link below, or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with one of us. Have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.